All right, y'all gotta give me 1 second to run out to the parking lot real quick.
You're gonna run?
Oh, it's no, I ain't running. No, definitely not. You know what? That's a good point. That's very, very good point.
Drier.
What, baby?
Tell me what pi over 1/3 would be, so I can.
Pi over 1/3.
Mhm.
Why would? What do you mean?
Doesn't it start? Doesn't the period start with pi?
The period would start at. It usually is pi, yes.
And then you divide it by.
Pi over 1/3.
Correct.
Keep, change, flip.
I don't know.
Keep, change, flip. All right, I'll be right back. Let me go grab this thing real quick.
Number for me to flip, so do I flip? What do I flip? That?
I did pi over 6 times 1 over 3, and I got pi over 3. But I'm not sure if that's right.
Okay. So you did pi over 6. You got pi over what?
Pi over 3. But I don't think it's right though.
See, I'm getting pi over 2. But I don't know, so don't go off of me.
ready?
Sure.
Hannah Montana, we ready?
I guess.
What you mean you guess? Let me put my mask back on. I don't want you to give me COVID.
I was kind of thinking this morning, this is going to sound terrible.
What were you thinking this morning?
I was honestly thinking, like, maybe a mild case of it wouldn't be bad, because then I wouldn't have to go to work or school for 2 weeks, you know?
Maybe a mild.
I mean, I don't want to be sick. I just want to test positive. You know?
That will be nice.
You know what I mean? Like, I usually don't get up this early. That's what I was thinking about.
All right, we are good. I say we're good. I have no freaking clue, but I think we're good. Where the hell's my marker? All right. So college algebra. Here we go. Are you ready? All right. So when you sketch this, a couple things you want to look for. Number one, you want to observe that this is a v. All right, absolute value is a v. If it's x squared, it's a u. All right, x cubed is a little snake thing. This is a v. It will shift 3 units left. It will shift 3 units left. It will shift 4 units up. All right, when it's on the inside, it goes opposite. On the outside, it goes the same way. All right. So, this will shift 3 units left, 4 units up. Then 2 acts as a stretch factor. It's going to close it up a little bit. The negative is going to flip it over the x-axis. So this thing is ultimately going to go down here like this. Okay? The domain will be negative infinity to infinity. The range will be negative infinity to 4 with a bracket on the 4. So when we read the range, we read it from bottom to top. Bottom to the highest point is 4. All right. The y-intercept, we're going to plug in x is 0, 2 plus 3, or excuse me, 0 plus 3 is 3. Absolute value of 3 is 3. Negative 2 times 3 plus 4. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So your y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Okay? Now, what we didn't go over to start the class was how to find the x-intercepts. But since you know how to solve this, we can now ask for the x-intercepts. We're plugging in y is 0. We're solving for x. I subtract 4. I get negative 4 equals negative 2, absolute value of x plus 3. I divide by negative 2. I divide by negative 2. I get 2 is equal to the absolute value of x plus 3. So 2 equals x plus 3. And negative 2 equals x plus 3. Set them to positive and negative. That's what we do for the absolute value. And when we solve that, we get x is negative 1 and x equals negative 5. So it crosses here and here. Looks something like that. The y-intercept is negative 2. Picture not drawn to scale. Okay? We good?
Got it wrong, but yeah.
Okay, do we need to do another graph so you can try it again? Or do you think
Probably,
you got the hang of it?
I probably need one more.
Okay. Shit, baby, it's just you today, so we can go to the hell you want to. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's like your birthday now. You can do whatever you want. Let's go, same questions. X-intercept, Y-intercept, domain, range. Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
Hey, Hannah, Montana.
Yes.
Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
Moderate that. Hey, Hannah, Montana. Somebody's watching on the. Hey, Hannah, you have service?
No, not at all.
All right. Moderate that. All right, college algebra, here we go. Hey, Hannah, Montana. Somebody's watching on the. Hey, Hannah, you have service? Stop it. Let's pay attention to this. You're here. All right, college algebra. Here we go. So we got pi divided by 1/3. Hey, Hannah, you have. But here's the kicker. Tyler, here's the kicker. Let's pay attention to this. You're here. All right, here's the kicker. Here we go. We got to factor out the 1/3, and that becomes really hard for people. But here's the kicker, because now you're factoring out a fraction. People are like, "Oh, I don't know how to factor out a fraction." Here we go. We got to factor out the 1/3, and that becomes really hard for people. But here's the kicker. Because now you've got to factor too. People are like, "Oh, I don't know how to factor out." Here we go. We got to factor out the 1/3. Why is that? And that becomes really hard for because you're going to take 1/3. Now you've got to factor too. And you take pi over 6, and you're going to divide it by 1/3. Factor out the 1/3. Why is that? And that becomes really hard because you're going to take 1/3. Now you've got to factor pi. You take pi over 6. You're going to divide it by 1/3. Out 1/3. Why is that? And that becomes really hard because you're going to take 1/3. Now you've got to factor pi. Take pi over 6, this is pi over 1/3. I started pi over 2. That becomes really hard because you're going to take 1/3. So tangent pi, you take pi over 6. This is pi over 1/3. I started pi over 2. That becomes really hard because you're going to take 1/3. So tangent pi, you take pi over 6. This is pi over 1/3. I started pi over 2. That becomes really hard because you're going to take 1/3. So tangent pi, you take pi over 6. This is pi over 1/3. Now the next one, you're aware. That becomes really nasty. Well, 3 pi over 6 is so tangent pi. You take pi over 6. That is 3 pi over 2. Now the next one, you're aware. It's 7 pi over 6. Well, 3 pi over 6 is so tangent pi. You take pi over 6. That is next one, you're aware. Now the next one, 3 pi over 6. You're aware. It's 7 pi over 6. Well, 3 pi over 6 is so tangent pi. You take pi over 6. That is next one, you're aware. Now the next one, 3 pi over 6. You're aware. pi over 6. It's 7 pi over 6. Well, it's 3 pi over 6. Those can't get pi over 6. That's why the pi over 6 was 3 pi over 6. It's 7 pi divided by 1/3. 3 pi over 6. Pi over 6 times 3 over 1. That's why the pi over 6 was 3 pi over 6. It's 7 pi divided by 1/3. 3 pi over 6. Pi over 6 times 3 over 1. That's why the pi over 6 was 3 pi over 6. It's 7 pi divided by 1/3. 3 pi over 6. Just pi over 6 times 3 over 1. That's why the pi over 6 was 3 pi over 6. It's 7 pi divided by 1/3. Pi over 6. Just pi over 6 times 3 over 1. That's why the pi over 6 was 3 pi over 6. It's 7 pi divided by 1/3. Pi over 6. Just pi over 6 times 3 over 1. That's why the pi over 6 was 3 pi over 6. It's 7 pi divided by